This little guy snore. Oh, he heard me. Never mind. He does not snore. Oh, he's dreaming. What is there to dream? Only 4 days? Has he been 4 days alive? 5 days.
5 days.
What is there to dream for 5 days?
Being in mommy's belly.
Being in mommy's belly, huh? Maybe you should be a baby commercial or something.